An important problem that normally arises in the workplace is the necessity of ordering or sorting out the different students that are going to join our classes over a week on a regular schedule. The fact that the same student could have multiple time slots available makes it challenging to find an optimum combination that allows us to allocate every single student in one spot. This algorithm tries to achieve that using the concept of heuristics. This is not an exhaustive search, because the number of possible combinations raises exponentially and eventually reaches a number of possible analyses that is impossible to handle with contemporary computational resources. Let's assume that we have 11 students that have registered for our courses. And here, the way that we encoded the information on the day of the week is given as integers. You can see in the table on the right that the 5 different days are encoded into 5 different values starting at the value 0. So Sophia Patel is available on Monday at 1 p.m., on Tuesday at 12 p.m., and on Thursday at 12 p.m. This information is simply exported into a TXT file that looks like this, in the same folder where the main.py file is located. You can see here the structure of the script, where you're going to find also information on the markdown file called readme. If you need additional instructions, that's where you're going to find them. The general idea of this algorithm is to represent each of our dear students inside of a compound object of the class student. Each student has as metadata the name of that student and a list representing the times in which that student is available. That information enters the program, and then we try to guess by picking randomly from our students and randomly from those times that those students specified, and seeing if we already have assigned those time slots into our system. If the answer is yes, then we just keep looking. We repeat the process for 1,000 times, and we try to find a winning combination that leaves no student behind. Let's run this program and let's see how it works. Here you can see the visual distribution of the different students over the week, where each student has been assigned to at least one of the times that he, she, or they specified when they register. This program is intended for people to gain access to cheap or free software that can help their productivity boost. If you have any questions or any information that you would like to share about this algorithm, especially bugs, you can find my contact information in the webpage urielgarcilaso.com. Along with that email, you will also find a set of tutorials that you can follow if you want to learn more about how to implement and develop optimization algorithms, both exhaustive and heuristic.